Hi guys. Well, we are out in nature again, and I'm still not feeling great, but it was just too nice not to come out. I forgot my tripod, so I can't put it in the tree. Maybe I could figure out how to set it up where it won't fall, but this is where we are right now. Bella's like hiding over there with her ball, and Benny's over here, and Buster's over there. She's hiding over there. She's greedy with her ball. I can't let other dogs around her, except for mine, when she has it, because she's really greedy. What happened, Ben? Oh my gosh. This back-facing camera is so much better than the front-facing one. What is it, Buster? I actually thought I was recording before, but I wasn't. There's a lot of... You can see the shade from the trees. It's not really... I forgot my tripod, so I can't really put it on anything. I tried to put it on a tree, but it just... I can't see from the shade. I tried to put it on the tree, but it just kind of fell off, and then the branch was in front of it. There's a little cloud cover now. I hear a dog. There's people working in the park today. They're like, I don't know, doing something over there with these machines and everything, and it's just like, I'm afraid that my dogs are gonna like try to go chase the moving machines and get chopped up or something, because they tend to do that. There comes the sun again.